Hi friends, I am Nirmal and today we discuss about the management information system part 2. So first of all we discuss about what is hyper technology. So hyper ledger technology, we have to know that. So hyper fabrics, hyper and ledger fabric is an implementation from blockchain framework hosted by the Linux Foundation. It is an open source enterprise grade permissions that makes use of distribute ledger technology. It is a platform that deploys blockchain networks with the platform providing smart contract, the ledger, and providing a consensus between the members through maintenance of the fabric protocols. Fabric is designed for use by businesses with the blockchain itself being operated by a set of known participants. These participants are re-identified and vetted through a concept called the permission blockchain. The blockchain also provides a way of securing and interactions among a group of entities who know each other and have common business interests. So now we talk about the integration of blockchains and enterprise resources planning system. So blockchain technology as a way to increase data security for transaction is a new system that allows these transactions to occur automatically more securely and without an intermediary has been conceived. Blockchain or distributed ledger technology was developed in the aftermath of the 2008 recessions to deliver transparency, security, and efficiency in managing transactions between multiple parties. This concept is now being implemented or considered in many business models worldwide. What really is blockchain? So, in its simplest form, blockchain can be described as a private secure network that uses cryptography to keep changes secure, provides and a decentralized database or digital ledger of transactions that everyone on the network can see it. So, case study: success of Starbucks mobile payment applications, fastest way to pay for your drink. As an example, so Starbucks redefined highly competitive coffee shop business and successfully created an uncontested market by turning the simple coffee drinking experience into a way of life experience by drastically redefining the coffee shop environment by adding music, Wi-Fi, relaxed seating and luxurious interiors till Starbucks disrupted the traditional coffee shop market. Most of the focus was the price, location and quality of the coffee shops. So Starbucks innovates value proportions, includes the wide variety of most coffee based menu along with other types of drink that created or that catered with wide range of audience who are willing to pay top buck for the luxurious and relaxed interiors that are perfect enterprise for socializing with the friends and relaxed mood. So case study: Cisco systems or ERP implementations. So Cisco systems is a big player in the internet technology field, manufacturing their primary product, the router. Two Stanford computer scientists founded the company in 1984. Unbelievably, by 1997, Cisco became a Fortune 500 company, and in the following years, Cisco market's capitalizations was over $100 billion. With the gigantic growth experience Cisco needed to look into their future regarding their existing enterprise resources planning packages, unreliability and common outage brought into questions the validity of our trying to enlarge the current systems to meet the Cisco's constantly growing needs. The current system was a Unix-based software package that supported financial, manufacturing and other entry. So characteristics of business informations. Informations is a fact observations, perceptions of any of the other things that adds to knowledge. In the word of Gordon B. Davis, information is data that has been processed into a form of that is meaningfully to the receptionist and is of real or perceived value in current or prospective decisions. So information is obtained either by direct observations or by communication. Most of the business information is obtained through communications. Even in the simplest responsibility center, the manager could not observe with his own sense everything that is going on, nor would he want to devote his time to doing so, even if it were possible. So management information has control system, MICS installations. Now we discuss about this. MICS, the decisions to establish a formal management informations and control system. MICS, management information and control system. So MICS becomes almost inevitable in today's business climate. The acceleration's needs for uniform, concise and timely information by all levels of management dictates the establishment of such a system. The results can be better control of and greater profitability from the enterprise. Essentially, the functioning of MICS involves transmissions of all participants' data necessary to the conduct of a business to one or more management information centers, where it is maintained, then disseminated in discrete form to all levels of management. This description provides no reference to computers or any other specific type of data processing equipment. So now we discuss about the management information systems, educational management information system, that is EMIS, educational management information system. So evolution of EMIS. Earlier we discussed about the MIS, management information system. Now we discuss about the important part of managerial information system, that is EMIS, educational management information system. So evolution of EMIS, the evolution in the information and communication technologies, ICTS, has greatly influenced the lifestyle of whole world. ICTS has a proven role in the field of medical business, industry, entertainment, communications, but now these technologies has emerging efficient role in education field. In developing countries, education sector is one of the core area that require more attention for the country's rapid development. The goal of every educational institutions is to provide the quality educations to all its students. In these institutes, management at all levels continuous strives to achieve this aimed goal. Universities are hiring highly qualified professors and equipping their scientists, laboratories with latest equipments, adding new technologies and books to their laboratories. So ERP software cost, what is this? Enterprise resources planning, ERP packages are very expensive. Let us be clear if you have already have some system or not. Once you decide to go for ERP, you need to plan well. The entire project cost is not the only the ERP software cost. It includes hardware, software, implementation, consultation charges, sanitization, employees to ERP and training them. Hence, if you come across someone indicating only the ERP software cost, do not get carried away. Every ERP implementation needs careful planning. Once the enterprise identifies a new specific ERP software, ERP companies or their consultants may be asked to give you some presentations as to why should their ERP software be brought. So ERP tutorial, enterprise resource planning, ERP implementation needs lots of attention and dedication from all the concerned. The top management role is generally limited to the approval of the ERP package and taking care of the ERP budget. The top management identifies a person as champion to take the decisions as required. Once the company decides to go for a specific ERP, all the employees who are likely to be affected shall be taken into confidence, and each of the end user shall be provided with ERP tutorial for their function. While there are more than one standard ERP tutorial, it may be better for the consulting company or company's IT department to devise their own tutorial. Now we discuss about the ERP support and maintenance. So you have some decent computerized applications running in your enterprise, but you feel that you are actually leveraging the benefit of automations. Your inventory levels have not come down and items is slow moving category are on the rise. You are not getting the required management information report, that is MIS, as you could like to get. So you realize that it's time to have a fresh look at your system. You may approach a company that offers ERP consultancy as well as ERP support services. Generally, these kind of companies have enterprise or expertise to in business processing, re-engineering projects, lifecycle management. They may be offered ERP support services like enterprise information technology, policy planning, requirements analysis, products configurations, product integration, test and evaluation, etc. Now we discuss about the ERP review process. Every company in today's world will some automations on order. Accounting packages are the first time to be implemented, and the sales order processing is automated so that their clients and suppliers can access the data. It helps to implement enterprise resources planning ERP, which allows the entire company to automate all its divisions locations. In 1980s, ERP was available only to large industries who could afford the huge expenditure. Many ERP vendors have done their own ERP review and have developed ERP solutions to a different market. Any thinking of implementation ERP systems shall have three stages of ERP review process: pre-implementations, implementations and post-implementation. So ERP processes. Now we discuss about the matter. What is ERP process? So enterprise resources planning software offers you many modules which are tightly integrated with each other. The modules handles all functions related to engineering, sales planning, materials, manufacturing, finance, HR, etc. Multiple locations can be seamlessly integrated into a single ERP system. Process is nothing but a systematic flow of work done. Process management is defined as the collection of activities corresponding to the planning and observing the effectiveness of the certain business process. It is true that the ERP process, ERP implementation sometimes called for cultural changes in the enterprise. Typically, ERP process has the following stages: strategic planning, readiness assessment, vendor assessment and selections, plan for implementation and post-implementation assessment. So that's for the second part of the part. So the next part is coming soon of information systems. So thanks for watching my MBA videos, and my humble request is that I always says, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and comment and share my MBA videos, that is MBA Crystal Talk. And thanks a lot for your time.